Meaning of daylight saving time.
Daylight saving time.
Daylight saving time.
Daylight saving time.
Daylight saving time. Daylight saving time refers to the practice of setting clocks forward by 1 hour during the summer months to extend daylight hours into the evening. This means that people will have more daylight in the evenings, but less daylight in the mornings. The idea behind DST is to save energy and promote outdoor activities by giving people more daylight in the after-work hours. However, not all countries observe daylight saving time, and some have even stopped using it due to its perceived negative impact on public health and safety.